accompanying myself for 3 years now, playing recitals, charity events, festivals, and gigs. In this speech, I will share some Autoharp history as well as some basic techniques. You may have been surprised to know that the Autoharp has been around for more than 100 years. It was invented in America in 1885 by a German immigrant. Even though it is most commonly referred to as an Autoharp, that is actually its brand name, and its technical name is the corded zither. It became popular towards the end of the 20th century, and it became more widely known in pop culture when June Carter Cash and Dolly Parton started to use it in their performances. Now that you know a little bit more about the Autoharp, I will show you some techniques. Autoharps vary in different shapes and sizes. Mine has 36 strings and 21 chords. When you press down a button, selected strings underneath are dampened, and this creates your desired chord. On the right side are the long strings. These make low sounds because they are longer and vibrate slower. And on the left side are the high sounds, and these vibrate faster, creating high sounds. Since it is Valentine's Day, I will now sing a sweet song that you could sing to your true love with the Autoharp. In this speech, I have shared some Autoharp history and basic Autoharp techniques, and now I hope you have some idea of how you could use the Autoharp to serenade your true love.